What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech and more reviews. This time we're going to be looking at the Samsung Galaxy Buds, and I have some cases here that I think you'll like for this device. So let's check them out. So we know we have the Samsung Galaxy Buds, nice white case. You don't want to get that case all scratched up. Even if you have the other variant colors, you don't want to get your case scratched up. So these are some nice cases that just little novelty cases, something to have fun with that you may like. Now this one, basically, you know what this is. This is a Minion. This case comes in two separate pieces. It has an actual adhesive strip that lays in the bottom right here. All you do is take this little adhesive strip right out of there, and you're gonna sit down in there just like that. It's gonna keep the bottom on. Then you're gonna take these adhesive strips right out of the top. You're gonna take your top, you're gonna line your little Minion up just like so, and lay that down just like that. And this is what you get. When you open that up, voila. Nobody will even know that you have Galaxy Buds in here. Looks like a little Minion. Let's make sure that we got our charging on deck. Can we see? You see the red light? It is a red light in there. Kind of blurred a little bit, but so you do have your wireless charging. It is a go. You fold that down, you got access to your USB Type-C cable in the back, and that is pretty much it for this case. Nice sturdy silicone case. If you drop it, it's not gonna break. You're not gonna have any issues. It's just gonna basically bounce around. And for this case, that's pretty much it. So you get your little Minion, you get your bounciness of your silicone, you get your charging still available. Basically everything you need for your Galaxy Buds. And what would your Galaxy Buds be without your superhero cases? So right here, these are by the same company, just two different superheroes. You got Captain America over here, Iron Man case over here. Both of these come with lanyards, so you can just put the lanyard around your wrist or around your on your bag, clip it on your bag, or you can put this one around your neck. I don't see myself using any of this, but it's a good little gesture to send it along with the case. And so like I said, I'm just going to try one of these on since they're the same style with just different colors and different characters. So you got your little adhesive strip, once again, that you're going to pull out. The bottom half has no adhesive. Let me make sure that the Iron Man is the exact same way. Yep. Only the top half has the adhesive, guys, on these. So once you get it lined up, get it over on there. That's the fit that you're going to get. So you get nice protection around there. You're not going to scratch it up, scrape it up, get it bumped up, bruised. Let's make sure we got our wireless charging, and it's a go. It's going to be kind of hard to see. Still dark. Can't really see through. And I have a feeling Iron Man will be about the same way. So we do have wireless charging. It is a go on this style of case. You just can't see it through the Captain America case because it's a little darker. And this one is a bright yellow, so it's easier to see. So here I have three case alternatives for your Samsung Galaxy Buds right here. You got your Minions, you got Iron Man case, you got Captain America. These two come with the lanyard and the wrist clip, and this one basically just comes with a little clip that goes up top. But all great cases that are going to protect your Samsung device while you're on the go and traveling. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. I'll drop links below to all these devices. Until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.